how to convert this horizontal video into a vertical for the Instagram TV in iMovie. It's super quick and super simple. So right now it's going to be horizontal, so I'm going to select my entire video and I'm going to go right here to this crop button and I'm going to turn it, and this is going to make it vertical, but it's still sideways. So what we're going to do is we're going to export the video, which I already have it done to make this go a little bit faster. Then we're going to take this and we're going to go to QuickTime, and then we are going to go to edit and then rotate left, and then there you have it. You'll just save it, so you hit close and then you'll save it, and then you have a vertical horizontal video that you can put on Instagram TV. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave it down below.